Got 3 geometry word problems today we use similar triangles to solve them. The first one's going to be a flagpole with a shadow. Then you're going to find your friend's height using their shadow. And then a tree. Find out how tall that tree is by using a mirror. I'll explain the first one. I'll do the other 2, but these 2 I'll do silently so you can pause and try them on your own and then check your work. All right, let's go. Okay, we've got a flagpole. This is a pretty basic problem that you'll see in geometry, so if you're taking a final exam or an EOC, you're probably going to see something like this. I've got a 4-meter flagpole that's casting a 6-meter shadow at the same time that a nearby building casts a 24-meter shadow. And the question is how tall is the building? Okay, so you can be as artistic with these things as you want. Flagpole. You could just have a stick. And it's casting a shadow. And we know that the flagpole is 4 meters. And the shadow is 6 meters. Sun's up here somewhere. And at the same time, there is a building, which is probably taller because the shadow is a lot longer. The shadow is 24 meters. And we call these similar triangles because you could draw in the hypotenuses, the hypotenuse, but you don't really need it to set this up. I do know that this is the thing we're looking for, is the height of the building. So it's about setting up proportions. There's 2 ways to do this correctly and some other ways to do it wrong, but you need to have things lined up. Over time, I just liked to put things together that go together, like the building is corresponding to the flagpole. They're both the vertical measurement here. So I would go x over 4 equals, and then this is where things can go wrong. You have to, if x is on top, the 24 needs to be on top on the other ratio, and then the 6 goes on the bottom. If someone else would set it up differently, they might go x over 24, and that's fine. And then over here, they'd still have to line things up. It'd have to be 4 on top because it goes with the x. So 4 over 6. From here, we would cross multiply. So remember, this is a alternate universe. In a parallel universe, someone did it differently. Would they get the same thing you got? If you cross multiply here, you end up with 6x equals 4 times 24. And when they cross multiply, they get 6x equals 4 times 24. So inside baseball, from a teacher perspective, this is the line I look at. If that's what I'm looking for, no matter how they set it up, then they got it. Now from here, I just need to solve one of these. So I am going to rewrite this as 6x equals 4 times, and then 24 is 4 times 6. And the reason I did that is so I could go like this, divide both sides by 6 and cancel those 6's, and I never have to touch my calculator. And I get x equals 16 meters. And that is your correct answer for this one. Okay, there's 2 more problems. I'm going to work them for you so you can see them, but I'm not explaining them. You have to just try them and see if you understand the explanations, and if you don't understand the written directions, just leave me a comment down below and I'll come in and clarify it.